Meta ads are a waste of money. This is what people say when they cannot make sales with meta ads. However, have you ever wondered why they fail so miserably? Many people have high expectations, believing that the powerful meta ads alone will increase sales. They think a simple ad alone can boost sales and increase their business. The true purpose of meta ad is to show the products to the right target audience. However, the real magic happens when the product resonates with the audience, leading to natural sales growth. This magic occurs when, number one, your offer is so irresistible that the potential customer cannot resist making a purchase. Number two, your sales funnel is high converting and you have effective retargeting campaigns. Number three, your copies are so well written and emotionally resonates with your audience. Number four, the product is solving problem for the people and have unique selling points. Number five, your offer has a money back guarantee. In conclusion, meta ads can be incredibly powerful when used correctly. Follow to learn more on meta ads.